What a chop and churn for the markets today. Although we started off with a big move, we were comfortably above the 15,200 mark, and these are levels that are historic highs in any case for the markets. And then, of course, towards the latter part of today's trading session, we gave up all of those gains and closed in the red, about 20 odd points on the Nifty Futures. So net, we've lost over 100 points from the highs of the day. But to be fair, for an overheated market, or for a market which is already trading at such elevated levels, a 100-point fall is meaningless, so to speak. So let me quickly walk you through what really happened in trade today. Expensive names like Balkrishna Industries, irrespective of good results, have been cooling off. Balkrishna Industries lost about 10%. So that's really become the texture of the market. Wherein good news doesn't get priced in, you see profit-taking trends actually on those names. And this is not just Balkrishna Industries alone. There have been many examples all along the third quarter earnings reportage that has come by this time around. And those stocks have been unable to see any spike up, which would typically be the case because they already are over-bloated and trading at expensive valuations. So Balkrishna Industry being one such case in point. Some other names from within the auto names also saw some profit taking. Tata Motors, for instance, that was down about 3.5%. Other names like Realty Pharma, IOC, Sun TV from within the broader markets, which by the way cooled off first or before even the benchmark indexes. Having said that, from within the Nifty, there was an M&M which was down about 3.25%. There was JSW Steel, there was BPCL which was down, TCS, Bajaj Finance, ITC, Bajaj FinServ. These were a couple of pressure points for the index today. On the other hand, there were a lot of gainers as well, and one must highlight that too. SBI Life, Asian Paints, HDFC Life, ONGC, Titan, L&T, even though that too cooled off from the top, but still managed roughly about a 1% odd kind of gain. There was the Shree Cement, Wipro, Ultratech Cement, Nestle. These managed to actually hold out. From within the liquid universe, it was really Indus Towers. That was the big mover today, about a 6% dash coming in there. There was MRF, there was Voltas and Tata Chemicals, which actually held out very, very smartly in today's trading session. Balkrishna Industries, of course, was a very critical stock. You've seen 100-point OI build up on the stock. This was a big OI gainer. There's been Voltas, there's been Tata Chemicals, Power Grid, Torrent Pharma. These have been very actively trading stocks. What's also happening quite interestingly on the other hand is while equity markets are holding out, there's Bitcoin as well, which on a daily basis has been making news. Call it the Elon Musk effect or whatever you may, but clearly there's risk on, which is currently on in the markets. If going by what's happening across asset classes, and Bitcoin is just one such example.